Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix mobile data not working on iPhone. First of all, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. This is where all network and mobile data settings are available on your device. Now inside Settings, tap on Cellular or Mobile Service. Here you'll see all the settings related to your SIM card and mobile internet connection. Sometimes the network stops working because of a small connection glitch. After opening the settings, turn the cellular data or mobile data toggle off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on again. This refreshes the network connection and often fixes the problem immediately. If the issue is still not fixed, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Now tap on the airplane mode icon and leave it enabled for a few seconds. After that, turn airplane mode back off to refresh your network signal. If your mobile data is still not working, restart your iPhone once. Many temporary bugs and network issues get fixed automatically after restarting the device. Once your iPhone turns back on, check your internet connection again. If the problem still continues, go to General and then tap Software Update. Sometimes outdated iOS versions can also create network problems. So install any available update and check your mobile data again afterward. And that's how you can fix mobile data not working on iPhone step by step. These simple methods usually solve the issue within just a few minutes, so hopefully your internet is working properly now. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more easy iPhone tutorials.